Now that you've learned what Unibase does, let's go see what it looks like. Because I'm on a Windows system, I have an icon that takes me to the Unibase main menu. I double-click on the icon, and we're looking at the login menu of Unibase. Unibase asks for an operator name so that it can track the time spent and the keystrokes entered by that person. We'll use the operator name DMAC, which is one of the defaults installed with the Unibase system. To complete the login process, press the Enter key, which is called the field release key in the Unibase manuals. I get this message at the bottom of the screen that says Release to proceed, help to abort. Unibase tries to keep users from making mistakes by asking, "Are you sure you want to do that?" with this Release to proceed phrase. You tell Unibase, "Yes, I really did want to," by pressing the Release key, Function key 10, or "No, I didn't," by pressing the Help key, which is the Escape key. Since I want to continue to log in, I press Function key 10. Now I'm looking at the Unibase main menu. There's lots of interesting items here, but first let's see how to exit Unibase. Because Unibase is tracking each person by an operator name, it's important to use the Exit from Program entry at the bottom of this menu. When I press the letter I, the Release to Proceed message displays. I press the Release key, Function key 10, and I get an Exit Reasons menu. Since this is training, I press the letter B to take me back to the desktop. It was easy enough to get into and out of Unibase. Let's go back in and see what else we can learn. We've double-clicked on the icon. We'll put in the name DMAC, Field Release, which is the Enter key, Release to Proceed, and we're back at the main menu. You learned a few moments ago that you can choose a menu item by pressing the letter in the box preceding the item. Let's try a different one. I'm going to show you how to enter a new operator name for Unibase. I press the letter A to get to the Advanced Processing menu. Then I press the letter D for file definition. Then, looking at this menu, I see the item Operator Stats has the letter J. I press J, and I see the Operator Stats menu. Let's choose Display first by pressing the letter C. There are several operator names, and DMAC has an asterisk beside it to let us know that DMAC is logged into Unibase. I'll press Release to Proceed, Function key 10. We're back at the Stats menu. Now I'm going to press A to add a name. Let's put in Student, and then press Field Release, and we're back at the Operator Stats menu. Did it get added? Let's go see by pressing the letter C. The name Student has been added to the list of names. Wow! But we misspelled it. Can we change it? No, we don't have a choice for that, but we can delete it and add it again. So let's choose item B, type in STUDNT to delete the operator, then we'll choose A, add new operator, and let's spell it STUDENT. Yep, that looks good. Field Release, and then C to display, and we have student spelled correctly as the last entry in our list of operators. Now how do we get out of this? In Unibase, you press the Help key to back up to the prior menu. That's the Escape key. When I press it once, I back up to the File Definitions menu. When I press it again, I back up to the Advanced Processing menu. When I press Help again, nothing happens. When Help doesn't back up anymore, Unibase expects you to choose a menu item. In this case, we choose I to return to the Unibase main menu. And now we're back at the main menu. There's one more way to choose items from Unibase menus. The menu item may be highlighted by using the cursor movement keys, either down or up or even wrap around. When the item of choice is highlighted, press the field release key to execute that choice. So let's choose I to exit Unibase, press field release to proceed, release to proceed, B for training, and we're back to our desktop, ready for our next lesson.